guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur specific parts of your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a photo for this one because I want to blur out a text, but it does work for videos as well, of course. Copy and paste your picture or your video, go to effects and search for just the blur effect, and you're just going to add it into the video. You can blur it as much as you'd like to, or just a little bit. Select the video, go to mask and select rectangle or any shape. For faces I usually use the circle one, and I'm just going to also feather that out. For instance, I want to blur out this text right here. I'm just going to resize that, and I'm just going to adjust this so it only blurs out that text right there. I'm just going to show you real quick with the video. I want to blur out this person's face. Again, copy and paste, go to effects, add in the blur, select it, select the circle one, and just adjust it to their face and feather it out so it doesn't look too harsh. If it moves, you can definitely use keyframes. So here, add a keyframe at the beginning of your video, and when it moves you're just going to adjust it with the person's face. Just move it like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!